Today we'll be going over the Lesson 10 Whitelock 3rd grade worksheet. And to start off, we're going to be doing order operations. So number 1 says 2 times parentheses 2 plus 4 parentheses equals. So in order operations, it goes P, M, A, D, A, S, meaning parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. So starting at number 1, we can see we have the 2 and the 4 inside the parentheses, so we're going to add them together first to get 6. And then we just do 2 times 6, which gets us 12 for our answer for number 1. For number 2, we see we have 2 plus 6, which are inside the parentheses. So we do 2 plus 6, which equals 8. And then we do 2 times 4 first, because we don't want to add them yet. So we get 8. Then we add 8 plus 8, and we get 16. Over on this side, we have 6 minus 2 minus 1 times 2. And 6 minus 2 minus 1 are in the parentheses, so we're just going to subtract them, and we get 3. And then we just multiply it by 2, and we get 6. For number 8, we see we have 5 minus 3 plus 6 times 2. And we're gonna subtract hers because they're inside the parentheses, so we get 2. And then we add 6 times 2, which is 12. And then we get 14 as our answer. Moving on, we have find the sum or difference, and we're gonna be subtracting first, and we're also adding too. And we just since it's this money and there's no like decimals for this first one, we're just gonna regularly subtract it. So we're gonna do 9 minus 3, which is 6. 7 minus 9 is not possible, and 4 minus 1 is not possible. So we're gonna borrow 1 from right here, make this 1, and we're gonna make this 10 because we're gonna borrow 1 from it, and then make this 17. And 17 minus 9 is 8. And then 10 minus 4 is 6. And our answer is 686. For number 2, it's the same thing as number 1. So we're going to do 7 minus 5, which is 2. 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 minus 9 is not possible, so we're going to borrow 1 from right here. Change this to 7. Make this 13. This becomes 4. And this becomes 3. So it is $3,432. On this side, we're going to be adding. And since it's in the tens place, we're going to drop the decimal early. So we do 8 plus 9, which is 17. So we put a 7, carry the 1 over. And then 9 plus 5, which is 14, plus 1 is 15. So we're going to put a 5 and carry the 1 over again. Same thing, 9 plus 5 is 14, carry the 1 over, put 5, carry the 1. And then 1 plus 4 is 5, but plus 1 is 6. So your answer is $65.57. For number 7, it's the same thing, but we're subtracting. So we're going to bring the decimal down in place early. So we're going to do 9 minus 3, which is 6. 0 minus 0, which is 0. 5 minus 2, which is 3. And then 6 minus 4, which is 2. So our answer is $23.06. Find the missing number. So we can see for number 1, which is 25 pennies, is equal to blank nickels. And we know nickels are 5 cents each. So we're just going to do 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So 25 pennies are equal to 5 nickels. For number 2, it's the same thing. We see we have 10 pennies are equals to blank nickels. And we know nickels are 5 cents again. So we just do 10 divided by 5. And we get 2. So 10 pennies are equal to 2 nickels. And then for number 3, we see we have 4 nickels are equal to blank dimes. And we know dimes are 10 each, are 10 cents each. And we know nickels are 5 cents each. So we do 4 times 5, which is 20. And then we can do 20 divided by 10, and we get 2. So 4 nickels are equal to 2 dimes. For number 8 over here, we can see we have 2 quarters are equal to blank nickels. And we know 2 quarters are 25 each, so we get 50 cents. And then each nickel is worth 5 cents. So we just do 50 divided by 5, and we get 10. So 2 quarters are equal to 10 nickels. And then for number 9, we can see we have 3 dimes are equal to blank nickels. And 3 dimes are 10 each, so we get 30 cents. And equal to 5 nickels, which are 5 each. So then we just do 30 divided by 5, which equals 6. So our answer is 6 nickels are equal to 3 dimes. For our word problems, we have number 1, Justin has 4 $1 bills, 1 quarter, 4 dimes, 5 nickels, and 5 pennies. Using exact change, what is a possible way to pay for a magazine that costs $4.75 using the least number of coins? So if we're trying to find the least number of coins, we're gonna want to use our dollar bills first. Meaning, so we use all 4 of these. It's $4 already, and we're trying to use the least number of coins too. So we're gonna use our quarter next, which adds 0.25, which makes it 4.25. Then we're gonna use up the rest of our dimes, which are 4. So we do plus 40 or 0.4, which gets you 4.65. And we just can just use 2 nickels. It's because we're missing 10 cents from our goal. So we add 10 and we get $4.75. So a possible way to pay for a magazine that costs $4.75 with the least number of coins is we use 4 $1 bills, we use 1 quarter, we use 4 dimes, and we use 2 nickels, which gives us the least number of coins used possible. For number 2, it says Ethan has one $1 bill, 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 2 nickels. Using exact change, what is a possible way to pay for a goldfish that costs $1.85 with using the least number of coins? So for this one, we're trying to see how much we can get with $1.85 using the least number of coins again. So we're gonna use our $1 bill, which gets us $1. Then we're gonna use 3 quarters for it, which is plus 0.75, which gets us to $1.75, and we're just off 10, so we can just use one more dime plus 0.10, which equals $1.85, which is enough to buy the goldfish. So we're gonna use one $1 bill, 3 quarters, 2 dimes.